Redmi K40 may just have been spotted on 3C certification site with 33 watts charger. Redmi K30 was launched in December last year, and given that Xiaomi is now refreshing some of its devices every 6 months, the Redmi K40 launch should not be too far away. A new Xiaomi model has been spotted on 3C certification site, and it is rumored to be the Redmi K40. The new model is listed to come with a MDY11X charger. This charger also ships with the Redmi K30 Pro series, and this could mean that the new model may be the successor of the Redmi K30 series, most likely to be called the Redmi K40. The new Xiaomi phone is listed on 3C certification site in China with the model number M2006J10C. It is listed to come with a MDY11X charger, which means it could offer 33 watts fast charging, same as the Redmi K30 Pro. Therefore the new model is speculated to be the Redmi K40 phone, and the listing hints that Xiaomi is working on bringing the new phone in the market. Of course, given that it has been spotted on 3C, it should launch in China first. The 3C listing also suggests 5G connectivity. The certification was issued a few days ago on June 15. It was first spotted by Chinese tipster Digital Chat Station. Few reports also suggest that the new Xiaomi model may be the rumored Mi CC10. The predecessor Mi CC9 was unveiled in July last year, so the successor is due soon. In any case, there is little else that we know about the Redmi K40 or the Mi CC10 phones, and we expect more details to crop up soon. Clarity on what the new M2006J10C model will be called may be achieved in future probable leaks. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.